Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens curbside video, and this is in concert with Cyber Week or Cyber Monday, along with the 10 back when you spend 40, which is an online only booster, and I think most of us received it. Some fabulous deals this week, like really good prices on items doing it this way. And we're just going to jump right into it. And for those of you that are just like new to this, like what is a curbside offer? You're hitting the button on the left with the red check, ordering this stuff through a cell phone, tablet, desktop computer, putting an order in that way, and then driving to the store and picking it up. And that is called a curbside pickup. Pretty straightforward. So this is the booster that we're talking about. Is 10 back in Walgreens cash when you spend 40 online or like for a curbside offer. So we just really are going to utilize this specific booster in all the deals for this video. And along with that, Walgreens was very generous to give us the code TAKE25. So for regular priced items, which is non-sales items, an extra 25% off, which is very, very generous. Also, I put this on the community tab yesterday. Some of the Green Mountain coffee, the 32 counters, 90% off. If you want to throw that in your curbside pickup, it's the easiest way to get your hands on these K-Cups. I think you could bring one, or if you could find one at the store, maybe a manager might price modify one for you, or if they are on clearance in your market. But yeah, a lot of you were scoring big on this. Now, if you're more of a shopper that likes to go in-store specifically, roll those register rewards and look around, I made a video yesterday where I was grabbing a little bit of this and a little bit of that and making a lot of deals happen. Check out this video that I made yesterday. I'll link it at the end. And to let you guys know, my Rimmel, I submitted it around 10 a.m. on Sunday, and then I got it the next day at 6 a.m. So for IBOTTA rebates, for whatever reason, it's taking like just about 24 hours, and I've noticed that as well. You have to be patient, guys. I don't work for IBOTTA, so I can't expedite your rebates. You just have to hang tight. If you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up before we dive into the deals, I would be so, so grateful. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today to save more money over at Walgreens. Deal number one. We just have a hodgepodge of magic in this one. So let's remember, class, we have our best friend loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 40. This is of a one-time use. I'm not going to repeat it for every single basket, but let's remember to have this booster loaded for all of these deals. You pick which deal you wish to do, but you need to have this guy loaded to get your $10 back when you're spending 40. We're just going to go through it item by item. The first is to get 3 of the $6 Nivea Sensitive or the Nourishing Care body washes, and then 3 of the men's Nivea body wash as well at $5. 2 of these L'Oreal voluminous liners for $5.98, and they are on clearance. And we have this digital coupon to load, which is a 6 off of 2. Okay, now we're also going to load 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos. Do not call this shampoo L'Oreal Elvis. It makes a lot of people furious in the comments. I'm just saying that. We have a 4 off of 2 digital, which is a manufacturer. And then we have the IVC, which is the Walgreens coupon, which is a 3 off of 2, making this shampoo dirt cheap. Now, just to show you the pretty little chorus line of all the coupons coming off, we have the L'Oreal, take 25, $1 coming off. That's for the Elvive shampoo. The liner, L'Oreal liner, $5.98 coming off. The code Nivea for an extra $5 off of that body wash, so that's magic. And the last IVC for the Elvive is a 3 off of 2, and that came off as well. Looking at the overall basket, it's $49.96, $9 in IVC and instant savings melting off right there. Free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, $9.98 coming off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $33.44, and then you're getting back $20. So it makes this deal very good to pay $10, or, not including your tax, like $10 for all this. Very good deal. And that's a lot of Nivea body wash. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 2. You need your booster loaded, 10 back when you have 40. We're going to grab this $24.99 beard trimmer by Braun, along with 2 of the Thermacare heat packs for $29.98. Now, if you do that Braun shaver in store an extra $8 registered reward you'll get. But if you just want to do this deal from home, this is the deal for you. For the Thermacare, we have a 10 off of 2. This is an IVC coupon, which is the Walgreens coupon. Along with, we have a $3 manufacturer coupon for Thermacare. Only one of my store cards had this, which was weird. Now, for our friend Braun, we have an Only For You coupon, which is a $10 off manufacturer for that shaver. Very nice coupon. So looking at the overall basket, Take 25 took off $4.25. Braun, Thermacare, and then the IVC coming off at the bottom, which is the 10 off too for the Thermacare. And if you're going through a lot of aches and pains with this weather change, going into winter, you might need to stock up on those. So the overall basket is $54.97. We have $14.25 in instant savings melting off right there. We're still at our $40 threshold. Curbside pickup is free, a bit of tax, and $13 in manufacturers melting off. You're paying $30.16 with your debit card and getting back $10. So $20 for 2 packs of Thermacare and a really nice shaver. Deal number 3. Okay, so we are going to be getting an OLAY Super Serum for $46.99. This has a promotion of $5 back on this specific lotion as well. And so there it is, 12 o'clock. And then you can apply for, I believe, $5 back at P&G Good Everyday, some holiday rebate. We're also going to grab 2 of these L'Oreal liners for $5.98. If you can't find them, just throw in 2 Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. This is the digital coupon for the OLAY Super Serum, which is a $15 off, a very generous coupon. And then for the liner, we have a 6 off of 2. Looking at the overall savings, this is where Take 25 is really coming in clutch here at $8 off. OLAY Super Serum $15 melting off, and then the 6 off of 2, reducing down to $5.98. So a little bit of savings right there. Okay, so our total was $52.97, subtracting 8 free curbside pickup. We have a bit of tax and $20.98 in coupons coming off. With your debit card, pay $26.69, and then you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, $10 for the booster, $5 for the, buying the OLAY Super Serum. And then you're going to need that receipt. So ask the cashier to process it at a regular cash register, not through a Zebra, so you can get your physical receipt. Photograph it, go to the website P&G Good Everyday, and then hit the rebate link to get an extra $5 gift card or whatever it is when you're spending $20 on OLAY products, P&G products this Christmas. Okay, so deal number 4. For this one, we are going to be grabbing one of the Gillette Labs exfoliating razors for $19.99. That is expensive. And also one of these shaving creams for $7.99. Now, there is a method to this madness that when you spend $25 on this specific Gillette, you're getting back $8 in Walgreens cash. So we have mission accomplished that mission to get our $8 back. And then we have a $5 manufacturer for the razor, and then another $3 for that really expensive can of shaving cream. This is the only way I would ever buy this stuff with this little deal. Now we're also going to add 3 of these toilet bowl cleaners. I think this is just a really good price point this week, guys. $6.87, and then 2 of the liners for $5.98. Alternatively, if you can't track down the liners by L'Oreal, get some chocolate or something. Load this digital coupon for the liners, which is a 6 off of 2. And also look at the other clearance stuff that's attaching with that coupon. $5.98, $3 coming off, and another $5 coming off. Take 25 is not coming off, as everything is sales priced. And then we also have our 10 back when you spend $40 booster loaded. So looking at the overall basket, it's $40.83. Free curbside pickup, and $13.98 is melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $29.30, and then you're going to get back $18.40. And this right here is called a very good deal. Okay, so the final deal that I have prepared for you, I think this is called Thoughtful and Kind. We're going to grab 3 of the holiday packs of the Yankee candles for $12.49. And then 3 of these cookies by Pepperidge Farms, and they're smaller. So we have this digital coupon for Pepperidge Farm, which is $1 off. It's expiring pretty quickly, so you got to do this deal earlier in the week. But my thought was, if you have 3 coworkers or a boss and 2 coworkers, like just throw this on their desk with the cookies and the candle. That'd be so nice. 4104, take 25 off of those cookies, free curbside pickup, $2.25 in tax, and $1 coming off for the Pepperidge Farms. 4165 you have to pay with your debit card. I know that is quite a bit. And then you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash. So it basically makes it like, $10 for, a little pack of cookies and the candles, which I think are so cute. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.